everyone! Today I'll show you how I color and cover my dark eyebrows with glue and makeup. We'll start with the colored eyebrow tutorial. For this tutorial you will need a washable non-toxic glue stick, a white cream eyeshadow or concealer, colorful eyeshadow, concealer, and a flat concealer brush, an angled eyeshadow brush, and a spoolie. Start by removing any makeup from your eyebrows, then removing any excess oils with a toner. Here are my natural brows. You can see they are a little patchy but very dark. Make sure your brows are clean and dry, then grab your glue stick. Apply a thin layer of glue over your eyebrows, making sure to cover all the hairs. Then quickly grab your spoolie and use it to shape your brows to your desired shape and hair placement. Repeat on the other side. Use your fingers to flatten down the hairs and make sure they are all stuck down. Then make sure your pets are getting enough attention while you wait for your brows to dry. Now take a damp tissue and wipe off any excess glue around your brows. Once everything is dry, grab your white cream eyeshadow or concealer and use it to cover your brows and map out the shape. It's okay if they're not perfect. After your eyebrows are all white, grab an angled eyeshadow brush and some colorful eyeshadow and use the brush to stamp on the shadow, completely covering the white. Now grab some concealer and a flat brush and use the concealer to trace around your brows, defining the shape and fixing any errors. And that's it, colorful eyebrows. Alright, time for the covered eyebrows tutorial. For this tutorial you will need a washable non-toxic glue stick, a setting powder, a white cream makeup to color correct if you have pale skin, or a red-orange color corrector if you have darker skin. Don't forget your full coverage foundation, a sponge, a flat concealer brush, and a spoolie. To start, make sure your brows are clean, dry, and free of any excess oils. Then grab your glue stick and start swirling the product into your eyebrow, pushing as much glue into the hairs as possible. Now, while the glue is still wet, grab your spoolie and push hard to brush the hairs up and flat to your forehead. Make sure all the hairs are glued down. Then repeat on the other side and wait for them to dry. Once the glue is no longer sticky, take the glue stick itself and use it like a rolling pin to flatten down your eyebrows. Then, in upward strokes, apply a single layer of glue over your eyebrows and wait for it to dry. Flatten your brows and add another layer of glue just like before. Allow it to dry and repeat until you've done about 4 or 5 coats and your brows are smooth. Make sure to allow the glue to completely dry between coats and before flattening. After all the glue is dry and you've flattened your brows, grab your setting powder and set the glue. Grab your color corrector and completely cover all of the hairs. Use your flat brush to make sure you get the product into all the crevices. Then add more product as needed. Now set your color corrector in place with your setting powder and grab your full coverage foundation. Pick up the foundation on your sponge and start stamping it over the color corrector. Now, if at this point you can still see traces of your eyebrows, go back in with the color corrector. Set it with the setting powder, then add another layer of foundation and set it. And there you are, no more eyebrows. And that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.